let's talk about our weekly
Yes.
side hustle.
Mm.
And
Yeah.
this is an interesting little thing here when it comes to it.
Actually, this one I'm signing up for because I have like a whole side of the garage. I have 3-car garage. One side is empty. So I'm going to sign up for this one. So if you have extra storage space, it's called neighbors.com, right? And it's all neighborhood people. So it's not like some stranger from another state's going to come and park their goddamn RV in front of your house. You know what I mean? It's not that much money, but hey, man, you have extra space. This is not like Airbnb that somebody's going to come sleep in your house. Well, let's say you have a nice driveway. You're one of your neighbors within 5 square miles. It has a boat, on a trailer, and they don't have the space to park it, so they're just going to come safely park in your place and pay. It's like storage. You're creating revenue out of your extra space. It's like, storage. What do you call those storage places, right? You go put your junk in and close the door, and then you'll never see your junk again, probably. So this is for bigger items, right? They offer liability, $1 million liability. If they come and damage your property, you can earn, 100 to 400 per month. Nothing major, but it's still something. And it's easy to access the system, right? And best of all, it says you are in control. See on the right-hand screenshot, right up top, you're in control. And they have the liability insurance, no paperwork, no hassle. It's a simple application in the app. So you list your space, you take pictures, just like Airbnb, responds to renters, whoever is willing to, and they tell you, okay, I have an RV to park, I have a boat to park, I have actually in your garage, I have all these storage boxes that I don't have room for. So, a few $100 a month, you can make extra cash. And in these times, hey man, it's better than accepting the $4 fucking garbage chips, okay? I'd rather do this than that. That's it. There you go. That's how your side hustle. Put your side hustle on. Yeah, just like Uber says, put your side hustle on, accept those $5 chips. No, don't. Do this. If you have space, rent it out. There you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.